Hello everyone. Welcome to today's lesson, where you will learn how to talk about yourself with confidence and speak English more clearly every day. How would you describe yourself to someone new? I would describe myself as someone who enjoys learning from experiences, staying active, and finding positive ways to improve every part of life. What usually inspires you to work hard? I feel inspired when I think about my future and remember that every small effort today can create better opportunities tomorrow. What do you enjoy doing when you have free time? When I have free time, I enjoy exploring interesting ideas, practicing useful skills, and doing activities that help me relax mentally. What type of challenges do you enjoy? I enjoy challenges that push me to think differently and encourage me to become more confident and capable. What is an important part of your daily routine? An important part of my routine is setting goals for the day because it helps me stay organized and focused on what matters most. What makes you feel proud of yourself? I feel proud whenever I complete something difficult through patience, effort, and consistency instead of giving up halfway. How do you communicate with new people? I try to communicate politely, listen carefully, and speak clearly, so conversations feel comfortable and respectful. What kind of future are you preparing for? I am preparing for a future where I can continue growing, support the people around me, and achieve meaningful success. What do you believe is your strongest quality? I believe my strongest quality is determination, because I continue trying even when progress feels slow or difficult. What do you enjoy learning about? I enjoy learning about communication, creative thinking, and practical knowledge that can be useful in real life. How do you stay motivated during difficult times? I stay motivated by focusing on long-term goals and reminding myself that difficult moments do not last forever. What type of person do you hope to become? I hope to become someone who is wise, confident, respectful, and able to make a positive difference in life ways. What gives meaning to your life? For me, learning new things, helping others, and working toward personal goals give meaning and purpose to life. How do you normally spend your afternoons? I usually spend my afternoons completing important tasks, learning something useful, or taking short breaks to refresh my mind. What type of experiences do you enjoy most? I enjoy experiences that teach valuable lessons, introduce me to different perspectives, or help me grow as a person. How do you stay organized in daily life? I try to stay organized by planning ahead, managing time carefully, and focusing on priorities step by step. What is something you recently learned? Recently I learned that staying consistent is often more important than moving quickly when trying to improve any skill. What do you enjoy about meeting new people? I enjoy hearing different stories, learning from others, and understanding new ways of thinking and living. What type of situations help you become stronger? Difficult situations often help me grow because they teach patience, responsibility, and problem-solving skills. What role does confidence play in communication? Confidence helps people express thoughts more clearly, feel less nervous, and connect better with others during conversations. What kind of atmosphere makes you feel comfortable? I feel comfortable in peaceful places where people are respectful, supportive, and open to sharing ideas. What motivates you to keep improving? The idea of becoming better than yesterday motivates me because I believe small progress can lead to big achievements. How would you describe the person you are becoming? I believe I am becoming someone more focused, patient, and ready to face challenges with a positive attitude. What is something interesting about you? One interesting thing about me is that I enjoy learning through daily experiences because I believe every situation can teach something valuable. What kind of activities make you feel energetic? Activities such as learning something useful, taking walks, and having productive conversations often make me feel energetic and positive. What is one personal quality you appreciate about yourself? I appreciate my ability to stay patient, because patience helps me remain calm and continue improving during difficult situations. What kind of environment helps you do your best work? I work best in quiet and comfortable environments where I can concentrate fully without too much noise or interruption. How do you respond to mistakes? When I make mistakes, I try to understand what went wrong and use the experience to make better decisions next time. What kind of people influence you positively? People who stay disciplined, think positively, and continue learning often inspire me to improve myself. What is something you hope to achieve one day? One day, I hope to achieve personal success by developing strong skills and creating a meaningful future. How do you stay calm under pressure? I stay calm by taking time to think clearly, focusing on solutions, and reminding myself that problems can be solved step by step. What do you enjoy about learning new skills? I enjoy learning new skills because they help me become more confident and open doors to new opportunities. What is something that always encourages you? Seeing progress, even small progress, always encourages me because it reminds me that effort is never wasted. What kind of person do you admire most? I admire people who stay humble, work hard quietly, and treat others with kindness and respect. What is your biggest interest in life? One of my biggest interests is learning useful things that can improve my knowledge and help me grow into a better person. How do you usually make important decisions? I try to make important decisions carefully by thinking about the situation, considering different choices, and choosing what feels most responsible. What kind of moments make you feel happy? Simple moments like achieving a goal, spending time with good people, or learning something new often make me feel happy. How do you continue learning new things? I continue learning by practicing regularly, staying curious, and looking for opportunities to improve my skills every day. What type of responsibility do you enjoy? I enjoy responsibilities that challenge me to become more organized and help me grow as a reliable person. What helps you become more confident? Preparing well, practicing often, and learning from experience help me feel more confident in different situations. What kind of conversations do you enjoy most? I enjoy conversations where people share ideas, discuss meaningful topics, and learn something valuable from each other. How do you spend time when you want to relax? When I want to relax, I prefer peaceful activities such as listening to something interesting, walking, or enjoying quiet time. What lesson has influenced your life the most? One lesson that influenced me greatly is understanding that patience and effort are necessary for meaningful progress. What kind of future achievements matter to you? Achievements that allow me to grow, help others, and create a stable and successful future matter most to me. How do you react to new opportunities? I usually feel excited about new opportunities because they allow me to learn, improve, and experience something different. What personal value is most important to you? Respect is one of the most important values to me because strong relationships are built through kindness and understanding. What is something people notice about you? People often notice that I enjoy listening carefully and speaking politely because I believe good communication begins with respect. How do you usually handle busy days? During busy days, I try to stay focused by completing tasks one at a time and avoiding stress as much as possible. What kind of goals do you enjoy setting? I enjoy setting realistic goals that help me improve gradually and give me a sense of achievement over time. What makes you feel more confident in life? I feel more confident when I prepare well, learn from mistakes, and continue practicing things that matter to me. What do you enjoy learning outside school or work? Outside work or study, I enjoy learning practical skills and exploring ideas that can be useful in everyday life. How do you react when things do not go according to plan? When things change unexpectedly, I try to stay flexible and look for better ways to handle the situation calmly. What kind of qualities do you respect in others? I respect people who are honest, patient, and willing to help others without expecting something in return. How do you keep improving yourself? I try to improve by learning from experience, accepting advice, and staying open to new ideas and opportunities. What kind of memories are meaningful to you? Memories that include personal growth, valuable lessons, and happy moments with important people mean a lot to me. What gives you strength during difficult times? Believing that challenges will eventually pass gives me strength and helps me continue moving forward. What type of achievements do you celebrate? I celebrate achievements that come from dedication and patience, because they remind me that effort brings results. How would you describe your outlook on life? I try to see life positively by focusing on learning, appreciating progress, and staying hopeful about the future. What kind of person are you becoming? I believe I am becoming someone more responsible and focused because I am learning how to make better decisions and use my time more wisely. What role does learning play in your life? Learning plays an important role in my life because it helps me understand the world better and gives me confidence to face new situations. How do you spend time on personal growth? I spend time on personal growth by practicing useful skills, improving daily habits, and staying open to new knowledge. What motivates you to stay consistent? My goals motivates me because I understand that success often comes from regular effort over time. How do you react to criticism? I try to listen carefully to criticism and think about whether it can help me improve instead of taking it negatively. What kind of people do you learn from? I learn from people who are experienced, thoughtful, and willing to share advice that can help others grow. What does success mean to you personally? To me, success means making progress, becoming a better version of myself, and creating a meaningful life. How do you usually solve problems? I usually solve problems by staying calm, looking at different solutions, and choosing the most practical option. What type of habits are important to you? Habits such as staying organized, managing time well, and continuing to learn are very important to me. How do you describe your way of thinking? I try to think positively and realistically at the same time, so I can stay hopeful while making smart decisions. What kind of impact would you like to have on others? I would like to encourage people to stay motivated, believe in themselves, and continue learning no matter the challenges they face. What do you enjoy most about your personality? One thing I enjoy about my personality is that I stay curious, because I always like discovering new ideas and improving myself through learning. How do you usually prepare for an important day? Before an important day, I try to organize my plans carefully, stay calm, and prepare everything I might need in advance. What type of experiences teach you the most? Experiences that challenge me or push me outside my comfort zone usually teach me the most valuable lessons.